Good afternoon, Drumheller. Steve here from Westergard Ford. Wanted to do a short video on the FordPass connection. That is Ford's mobile application, allows you to start your car, lock and unlock it. It's got tons of great features, and really, if you've got a newer Ford vehicle, you want to utilize it. First thing you're going to do is go onto your smartphone through Apple CarPlay or Google Play stores, download the app. It's FordPass, P-A-S-S, and the icon basically is the Ford F. So once we've got that downloaded, we're going to go ahead and select the application. And then right off the bat, you'll have an empty garage. So go ahead and hit the add arrow, and it brings you to a screen where you can simply scan the VIN number. So I'm going to go ahead and select the camera. And then you're going to find the barcode inside the driver's door will generate the VIN for you. So I'm going to scan that now. So after a moment, it should find the vehicle's VIN number, and then it immediately pops up a picture of the vehicle and it asks you for a nickname. So in this case, my nickname is going to be Explorer. And then I'll hit get started. Now the next step is we're going to activate the vehicle. We're in the car now with the key and the ignition on, and we'll hit activate. After only a few moments, we should see a message pop up on the touchscreen that's going to allow access to the car. There you go. So simply select yes on the touchscreen. And then the next part of the process only takes a few moments. The car and the application on your phone are going to start to talk together. And the functionality for the remote start, which has basically unlimited range, is going to come on. You're going to have the ability to see the fuel level as well as tire pressure, any recalls that are open, and so forth. FordPass app, great tool. If you have any questions, give us a call down at Westergard Ford at 403-823-2500. Thanks for now. Have a great day.